Rhodonite is a stone of compassion, an emotional balancer that clears away the past to allow for new love in one's life. It also stimulates and activates your heart while grounding energy at its core through balancing yin-yang energies. Rhodonite is a stone that will help you feel more at ease. Not only does it reduce anxiety, but this calming crystal can also be rubbed on your temples in times of distress for deep relaxation and relief from pain or stress. Forgiveness, unconditional love, balances emotions. The Greek word rhodos, which means rose-colored, is the source of the name of this rosy pink gemstone. Rhodonite has long been prized as a decorative stone. Rhodonite is inlaid on 80 square meters of columns at the Moscow Metro and Mayakovskaya station. There was a surge in popularity following the discovery of banded rhodonite in Argentina in the 1930s. Rhodonite is a rare mineral that can be found in minor quantities in North Carolina, Colorado, Massachusetts, and New Jersey in the United States, as well as in Russia, Canada, Australia, Brazil, Sweden, Peru, and England. It is known for its unusual pink color and is frequently characterized with visually appealing black manganese oxide dendritic veins. Something happens when you wear rhodonite. You feel relaxed and revitalized, much in the same way nature walks and gardening calm people. It serves as a reminder of the value of downtime and the larger picture that we frequently ignore. The pink color is naturally linked to the heart chakra, allowing the wearer to experience unconditional love. The energy of love is encouraged by rhodonite. The affection in this instance is more outwardly focused. This stone represents generosity and charity, and it encourages you to use your skills to provide gifts to others. This root of generosity frequently brings you more fulfillment than any amount of getting what you want can. Rhodonite draws the people and circumstances that will allow you to use your special gifts in a way that satisfies your inner desire to love and be loved. By serving as a catalyst for the fulfillment of your life purpose and the expression of your latent talents, rhodonite has the power to spread more love throughout the world.